Hello, this is Arthur Nix with EWKS, and I'm a HCSS HeavyBid trainer. And today I'm going to show two features. One is the HCSS Open Instance, where you can open up multiple HeavyBid estimates with the same license. And the other is the Windows 10 multiple desktops. And so what I'm going to do is combine the desktop features so that you can see how to better visualize the multiple estimates that you can open up now in HeavyBid. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up two other estimates. I have my main estimate here. You notice it doesn't say instance at the top, and I'm going to go in here to the HCSS ball. That's what I call that. Open new instance. That's the only way to access that. And it's going to give me a dialog right here. I'm going to open up one bridge. You can see at the top I have instance, and then I'm going to go, I got to actually open up the next instance out of the primary estimate or the non-instance estimate. So I go up here, open new instance, and I'm going to get that estimate. So now I have three estimates. I can toggle back and forth the estimates here at the bottom by just hovering, which is not too bad, but maybe I don't want to have to click and then go back and forth here. I want to actually just use the multiple desktop feature of Windows 10. So there's an icon. Most of people will be able to access it down here in their taskbar. And maybe it's also on your desktop feature. I'm not sure. Mine is not on the desktop. It's actually right here on my task, and they call it task view. That is the multiple desktop. So I open this up, and I can see up here, there's my three estimates, and there's my desktop 2 here. I'm going to close out desktop 2 so you can see what it would look like, and there's what it would look like here. Or I can also do my shift tab, my Windows 10 tab, like this, and get to the same things. It would be the Windows key and then the tab, and you can toggle back and forth and see that, and you get new desktop. So I'm going to activate, I'm going to create a new desktop. There's my 2, and then I'm going to create one and make that a desktop. So I got 3 desktops here, and what I can do now is I can drag and drop each one of these instances. So now I have, and you can have as many as you want to, which allows you to have these applications on different desktops without having to come down constantly at the bottom and pull up a minimized view. So I'm going to go back to my main desktop, and there's a number of ways that you can go back and forth. My preferred way is the control key, the Windows key, and then the right. There's my one instance, and there's my other one, and then you can just toggle back and forth like that. So that's my preferred way. You can also program your mouse. I have mine programmed where I can slide it, and what I'm doing is I have a button on there, and so I don't even have to go down, and I don't even have to use my keyboard. There's also ways that you can see. I have it on my mouse where I can just go back and forth and click it, and you can see the multiple desktops, or the Windows key tab, and I'm back here. So it's pretty handy. So I don't have to just go to the bottom and then bring up the other. I can just slide over, look at it. Maybe I'm looking at something and I need to refer to it, and then I come back and I'm back in my main estimate. So now when I'm ready to close out the instances, I can hover down to the bottom, or I can just go to it, and then I have to close out each one of these instances before I can close out of my main estimate. So that's kind of an overview of two features: the open new instance where you can open up multiple estimates, and then also utilizing the Windows 10 task view, or I call it multiple desktops. You can see why, because they actually label it as a desktop. And I believe in Windows 10, the next update, there's going to be more functionality added to these desktops right here. And there is some settings also in the Windows 10 setup where you can add some control to that. So anyway, if you like this video, I would appreciate you pressing the like button and Again, this is Arthur Nix with EWKS. Check out my blog and the other videos that I have here on my YouTube channel. Thank you.